Nothing like that sound when you're walking to the deer stand, right? Oh man. If it ain't one thing, it's another. All right. All is quiet now. They're way over there now picking, so hopefully it's gonna settle down. I don't know how they're gonna feel about that tractor still being in the field over there, but we'll see. I kind of took a quick glance down there, and there is some corn that's scattered out from that harvester, so hopefully maybe they'll think it's time to eat. But we'll see. Last night had that one tiny little doe come out over here, and then right across the way, well, let me show you. Right on that creek line where they left those trees, you can see there's a line of trees, and then it's clear behind it. They left those trees on that creek line, and there was a couple running and one trail behind it. I don't know what it was. That was early on last night though, and of course I couldn't film it. It was way too quick. But they went on and worked. I spotted them through there. They worked down towards that corner, but it happened way too quick, and I have no idea what it was. But so we did see some action. We didn't get skunked. I did see deer, so it wasn't terrible. But another beautiful day. Corn is gone. Field looks completely different now. So gonna look a little different out here, but at least I can actually see, if deer come out anywhere along there, I can actually see it now. So it's just a waiting game. Hang tight. Well, that happened really, really fast. I literally just put the arrow. I just knocked an arrow, and the Luminok came on the end of it and was blinking, and so I pulled my knife out to, cut that little switch off, and I had not had my knife back in my bag 10 seconds, and that he made his little 4.6 point buck was straight across from me, and he came right out. I mean, you saw him. You saw what he was going for. He was going for that corn immediately. He's gone now. Something boogered him out of here. I think that combine's still running down there, and he might have been headed back, or it looked like he was headed back this way. So he got up out of here. But 5 minutes after that combine left, that deer was out here. Crazy. Well, they're all coming out, but they're all feeding the wrong way. I need them to come down here. I guess I know where their pinch point is now. They're all coming out right in the middle. Oh, there's two little bugs fighting. Look at this. Those two little bugs are fighting down there. And girls are watching it too. They're like, what is he doing? They're all coming out right there. And those little bucks down there are fighting. Well, no deer tonight. Had lots of activity. Thought it was going to be a good night. It was a good night. Beautiful, beautiful sunset. So good to be outside. Did see some deer, and so I guess you can't ask much more than that besides shooting one. But nothing was big enough, or if it was, it stayed far enough away. So nothing to show tonight, but had a good time. So good to be outside, so good to be hunting season again. Just glad to be able to walk through the woods and enjoy God's creation. So thanks for following along on this little weekend hunt. I know there wasn't much activity, but maybe you can at least enjoy the scenery, enjoy seeing a little bit of nature, and hopefully we'll be back at it maybe sometime this week, maybe this coming weekend. You all have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next video. Right, a little bit of bonus scrap action here. We'll throw this in the video. Got the truck here to the yard. Hopefully it ain't too rusty to where they can't get it off the trailer. Well, messed up the windshield wipers. Looks like it's gonna take the cab off. Yep. Yeah, maybe. We can try it. Well, I missed it on the video. I don't know what happened to the trailer. Hopefully nothing. But there it is.